Welcome. In this video, we will talk about the Kirchhoff's current law. KCL is the one of the fundamental law used for circuit analysis. Here you can see the total current. What is the KCL? The total current entering a circuit junction is exactly equal to the total current leaving the same junction. So this is just a common observation. If I run the simulation here, you can see here we have the current source. The current is flowing from left to right, and here is the junction. A point where we have the multiple branches is called the junction, or your current divide into the different paths is called the junction. So this is just a common observation. You can see the number of electrons moving inwards the junction from this path, and number of electrons moving outwards outward this junction you can see on this path and this path. So this is just a common observation that the current or the number of electrons moving inside the node are equal to the number of current or electrons moving outside this node. So here you can see the total current is 3 amps. 3 amps of current is entering to the junction, so it must be the 3 amps of current that leaves the junction, because junction is not going to create any current or not going to absorb any current. So the entering current must be equal to the leaving current. So here you can see the 3 amps of current is going toward this junction, and 1.5 amps is moving in this branch and 1.5 amps is moving in this branch. The total of, you can see, entering is 3 and leaving is how much? 1.5 plus 1.5 is also 3. So if I connect this branch to here, some current will flow in this direction. So then what will happen? The sum will remain same or not. Let's see this. Now if I run the simulation, the source is still 3 amps. You can see now. Okay, now in this branch 1 amps of current is flowing, and the next branch also have the 1 amps of current, and you can see the third branch also have the 1 amps of current. So entering current in this node is 1 amps. Now in this branch is how much? This branch is the sum of these two. So first we need to know in this node how much current is entering. So here, if we don't know how much is entering, if we know the leaving current 1 amps and 1 amps, it means the entering current is 2 amps. So this node on this branch is leaving 2 amps of current. 2 amps plus 1 amp. 3 amps is on this node. And what about this node? This node is receiving 2 amps of current. And how much the current is going to leave from this node? You can see 1 amps and 1 amps. Total is 3 amps. So if I change the value of resistance, select this resistance and change the value. Now this resistance is 4 ohm. If I set this resistance to 8 ohm, double. Now you can see the 600 milliamps of current is moving from this branch, and 1.2 is here and 1.2 is here. Total current is flowing in this branch is 2.4 in this, and 600 milliamps is total again 3 amps. So this is the just basic fundamental principle of KCL, that's the algebraic sum of the current towards the node is 0, or the entering current is equal to the leaving current. So later in next videos we will see that how to solve the problem using the KCL. This is the basic fundamental laws of KCL. That was all about the KCL. Thanks for watching.